they're here. So the last two items that I pre-ordered from the Louis Vuitton pre-fall collection, they're here. And I'm wearing the cap to celebrate the moment. Hey good people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rakita. For those who are new here, where luxury has no limits. And the last two items that I ordered are here. So check this out. Spoiler alert. Spoiler. Oh, I don't know what's my problem. But look, let me pick it up, child. What I'm talking about? What I'm talking about? Leave it on the floor. Okay, so spoiler alert. Neither one of these items are handbags because real talk, I had pre-ordered the No Way BB. I know you're like, man, we're not here for a story time, we're here for the unboxing. Give me a couple seconds. Let me explain. So I had ordered the No Way BB in the pink and yellow because that really was the only colorway that I was like, maybe. So I ordered it so I can see it in person, but I didn't like it. No, that's not the truth. I liked it, but it was more of like just a pretty, it wasn't realistic for my wardrobe, right? Because the pink was good, but then it had shots of yellow, like a lot of shots of, you know, stripes of yellow throughout the handbag. And in real life, like where I'm going, where I'm wearing that, I think I got one yellow shirt. Like that's not real life for me. So I sent it back, and I don't want to unbox things that I know I have no intentions on keeping or adding to my collection. So yeah, that was a no. However, I think these two is gonna be a yes. So let's get into the first box. All right, so here's the first. Okay, I usually try to pre-open these because who's caring about a cardboard box? But my excitement gets the best of me. So let's open this. Okay, and this is the first item. Let's take her out. Okay, so this is my receipt. Oh, she tied the receipt to the ribbon, which is pretty smart because they always fall on me. Okay, so let's open her up. All right, throw that, and then here we go. Magnetic box and oh wait, I can't see. Oh, okay. So I'm peeking. Don't judge me. And here she is. Look at that. Okay, let me put this box down. So this is ooh, it's plush. I wasn't expecting that. But it's plush. So this is the headband from the Stardust collection. Oh, this is nice and plush. I wasn't expecting that. Like you guys know, I have a couple of designer headbands, and with the exception of the Prada, they're like flat silk, but this got a little pluff to it. I like this. All right, this is she. This is Louis Vuitton, made in Italy. Louis Vuitton Paris, made in Italy. Okay, can you see that? And then I'm trying to see the makeup. No, 100% silk. Bet B. But this is her. So she is nice. Okay, let's see. Cause you know we say prices around these streets. Is my receipt in here? Child, that's not my receipt. That is not my receipt. That is a gift card. Is it in the box? I think they, you know what? I'm starting to feel like they do this on purpose. They don't send me the receipt to remind me how much money I be dropping. Is it in the box? It sure ain't in the box either. Okay. Now, if memory serves me correctly, it was $580 before taxes. If I'm wrong, I will have it on the screen, but I am sure it was. I'm not sure. But I'm very close to sure. Man, what is very close to sure? I don't know. But I am very close to sure it was $580. If I'm wrong, I will have it on the screen. And of course, that is before taxes. After taxes, I don't know. My math don't be mathing. I don't know. But I know retail $580. So let's get into the second box. Okay. So let's rip this open. Once again, I have failed the situation. I should have pre-opened this. You know, I'll be forgetting I don't got muscles. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Let's take her out without smacking me in the face. All right, here we go. All right. All right, so all right, I'm not doing all that. Let's just slide it off, right? Throw that down, and then she cute. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, wait. Oh, she cute. What's this? Hold on. I'm gonna show it. Oh, this is okay. I'll never use these, but okay. So this, if you know, then you already know, because every one of them come with this. But okay, let me get this box off my hand. Okay, so this is the case that comes with every Louis Vuitton swimwear. That's right, it's a swimsuit. This is her. Oh, why am I? Lord, is you supposed to tie? I guess I should have figured that out before. Okay, I don't know why these straps are so long. I guess you're supposed to crisscross it. I don't know. I'm gonna figure that out. But she cute. Okay, let me show it. Hold on. Let me show it. Look at that. She cute. Oh, she cute. She cute. And she smells so new. I know you're like, ma'am, you gonna wash it. Why do you care? I don't know. I don't know why I care. I don't know why I care. It smells new, but I do. Okay? Don't be judging me in these streets. But look at this. Oh, she cute. Okay, I gotta make sure, just in case, I gotta make sure that's still. Okay. But is the tag still on here? So we good. All right, listen. She is cute. Let me turn her around. She has the open back. I want to say it's identical, obviously, besides the print, of my marine collection swimsuit. But I don't know. I think it is. But she's cute. I like her. And then, obviously, I got the headband to match. So, you know, you already know when I get these Louis Vuitton swimsuits or any designer swimsuit, I don't just use it as a swimsuit. This is a bodysuit. This is a tank top. This is whatever I want it to be. Okay. But love her. She is nice. This was $890. Again, if I'm wrong, I will put it on the screen. But love it. Love the set. Listen, I'm gonna think I'm too cute. Okay, look at that. All right, so that is all that I got from this collection. Like I said, the only handbag that sparked my attention was the Stardust in the pink, but then in person with those stripes of yellow, wasn't my judge. I didn't like the bandana collection. Apparently my husband did, because he got to keep all. Ain't my business. And I asked him, could I borrow it? He said no. Oh, selfish ass. He said I can't borrow it. I mean, I don't listen. When do I ever listen? But he did say no. But you know what that mean to me. Anyway, that is it. That is everything that I got from, including the hat, that I got from the Louis Vuitton pre-fall 2022 collection. Let me know what was your favorite piece. Of course, if you have any questions and you need any additional details, just let me know in the comments. Where the problem, ain't no problem. I will get back to you most definitely. But of course, If you haven't already, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn on those notifications so you don't miss a video from your BFF. Also, follow me on Instagram. I'm on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook at Rakita's Closet. And I will see you beautiful people in the next one. Okay, bye!